you won't believe. What 3IATLAS is doing right now. Why scientists fear. What it really is. The disappearance begins right now. 3I/ATLAS is vanishing. At 209 million kilometers from the Sun, it's slipping behind our star. Earth is moving away. Telescopes are losing sight. Within days, it will enter solar conjunction, hidden directly behind the Sun. For weeks, it will be invisible, and whatever it does in that darkness will remain a secret. The shield that shouldn't exist. Before it disappeared, 3I/ATLAS revealed something impossible, a self-generated shield against solar radiation and solar wind. No natural comet creates such a barrier. This isn't passive outgassing, it's active defense. As it nears the Sun, it's not disintegrating, it's fortifying itself. Scientists are stunned. We've never seen anything like this. The chemical enigma, nickel, cyanide, C. New spectral data shows a layered structure never observed before. Inner core, almost pure nickel with almost no iron, a combination that defies natural formation. Middle layer, rich in cyanide compounds, toxic, complex, industrial. Outer envelope, dominated by carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. This isn't random debris, it's engineered stratification, like a vessel with shielding, payload, and exhaust. The anti-tail that breaks physics comets have tails that point away from the Sun. But 3I/ATLAS? It has a real jet shooting toward the Sun, hundreds of kilometers long. Not an illusion, not orbital dust, a directed outflow against solar pressure. This violates every law of comet science. It's as if the comet is pushing back, said astronomers at the Teed Observatory. Light that lies. Even sunlight behaves strangely around it. It shows extreme negative polarization, a signature so strong it suggests dust grains are artificially shaped, not naturally eroded. Light doesn't scatter randomly. It's organized, as if passing through a filter. This isn't cosmic dust, one physicist whispered. This is designed. The Martian encounter. When 3I/ATLAS passed near Mars, Perseverance and the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter captured the closest images ever. They show an elongated, streamlined shape, not a rubble pile, not a sphere. At the same time, dust storms and devils erupted around the rover. Coincidence or gravitational disturbance? NASA hasn't released the high-res MRO images, officially due to a government shutdown, but rumors say they show too much. The industrial secret inside deep within its core, scientists detected a process identical to Earth's nickel refining, the formation and breakdown of nickel tetracarbonyl. This chemical pathway is used in factories, not in space. Seeing it occur naturally inside a comet is scientifically impossible, unless it's not natural, unless something inside is manufacturing. The unmovable object. Despite massive water jets erupting from its surface, 3I/ATLAS shows no deviation in its path. Comets wobble when gas escapes. It's basic rocket physics. But this object? It's locked on course. Harvard's Avi Loeb calculates its mass at 33 billion tons, so heavy that outgassing can't nudge it. But how did something this massive form in interstellar space? There isn't enough material. Unless it's not a comet. The solar anomaly. The Sun itself is acting strangely. It was supposed to peak in late 2024, but solar activity keeps rising, defying all models. Is this a coincidence? Or is 3I/ATLAS interacting with the Sun in ways we can't see? During solar conjunction, could it be harnessing stellar energy? Loeb asks, is this hideout a cover for technological activity? The cosmic coincidences. Its trajectory lies within 5 degrees of the solar system's plane, extremely unlikely for a random interstellar object. It arrived from a direction just 9 degrees from the WOW signal of 1977. And during its solar conjunction, 3 other comets will approach Earth simultaneously, a 1 in 10,000 year alignment. Are these coincidences? Or is 3I/ATLAS part of a pattern? The hidden images. The Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter took the best images of 3I/ATLAS, yet NASA hasn't released them. Officially, funding shutdown. Unofficially, scientists fear what they show. Some believe the images reveal surface structures, symmetry, or non-natural reflectivity. In an age of transparency, this silence is deafening. The water jet paradox. It's losing vast amounts of water, yet its path is perfectly stable. Natural comets can't do this. The only explanation? An internal mechanism is counteracting the thrust, like reaction control thrusters on a spacecraft. It's maintaining its course, one researcher said, as if it knows where it's going. The WOW connection. The WOW signal, a 72-second radio burst in 1977, came from the same patch of sky. For decades, it was a mystery. Now 3I/ATLAS arrives from nearly the same direction. Is this a reply? A probe sent after the signal was detected, or just cosmic chance? The alignment is too precise to ignore. The December reappearance. In early December 2025, 3I/ATLAS will reemerge from behind the Sun. This is our last chance to observe it before it vanishes forever. Will it be on the predicted path? Or will its trajectory have changed subtly, revealing intelligent control? The world will be watching. The ultimate question. The more we study 3I/ATLAS, the stranger it becomes. It doesn't behave like a comet. It doesn't form like a comet. It doesn't move like a comet. Some scientists insist it's natural, others whisper it's a probe. Until December, we can only wonder, what is it doing behind the Sun? And when it returns, will it still be alone? The teardrop in the void. There is something deeply human about the shape Hubble saw. A teardrop, not a sphere, not a shard, but a soft asymmetric bloom of dust trailing from a hidden core like a sigh made visible. This is the signature of a true comet, ice turning to vapor, dragging ancient dust into space as it answers the Sun's call. The streaked stars behind it are not flaws in the image. They are proof of motion, of transience. In that single frame, we see both the fragility of cosmic ice and the relentless forward march of time. 3I/ATLAS is not just passing through space, it is passing through our moment, and we are lucky enough to witness it. The silence of safety. In an age of anxiety, NASA's calm certainty is a quiet gift. 3I/ATLAS poses no threat to Earth. At one point, 8 astronomical units, it will remain farther than Mars ever gets to us. There will be no fire in the sky, no tidal chaos, no shadow over the Sun. Instead, there is only opportunity, a rare chance to study an object forged in another star's nursery, now gliding through our backyard like a silent scholar. This safety is not luck. It is the universe offering us a lesson without danger, a mystery without menace. And in that generosity, we find room to wonder, not fear. The fleet that watches together. Never before has humanity turned so many eyes toward a single visitor. From Earth orbit, Hubble and Webb dissect its light. From the inner solar system, Parker's solar probe samples the solar wind it disturbs. Near Mars, Perseverance and Curiosity, rovers built to seek ancient life, now gaze upward at a messenger from beyond life's cradle. Even Europa Clipper and JU-ICE, destined for icy moons, pause to gather data. This is more than coordination. It is a planetary response, a unified act of curiosity that transcends borders, agencies, and missions. We are not just observing 3I/ATLAS. We are showing it how a civilization looks when it chooses wonder over worry.